Jonathan here at Colfax High School, where I teach woodshop. We have a program to turn fuel reduction waste into furniture. So logs get cut down, they're destined for the landfills or to be burnt. We take those logs and we bring them to the high school and we dry them at the high school, and then we transport them to our lumber mill. And on our lumber mill, we turn them into usable materials to keep the carbon stored. This young lady here is milling lumber. This is an old cedar tree, and that's some of the lumber we've milled. This is a forester working with us to mill out these pine boards. And then once we have these boards, we take them into the shop and we use modern technologies to turn them into usable lumber. So CNC technologies, planing, traditional woodworking tools, and with that lumber we build really beautiful products like cutting boards and fishing nets and Tahoe maps. And we take these beautiful products and we put them on our web store, treetransformation.com, and we sell them to raise money to go back to the National Forest and also to self-fund our program. So it's a great way to prevent carbon being released into the atmosphere by making really beautiful projects, selling those projects online, and taking that money and going back into our program.